Hello, saw your question in the email. I've been out of town most of the day, just got back in. You want to solve this quadratic equation by using the quadratic formula. So it's already in standard form, meaning zeros on one side, everything else on the other. The coefficient of x squared is 4, so a is 4. Coefficient of x is 5, b is 5, and the constant's 2. You're asking how they get this answer, particularly, about the radical, which we'll get to. So here's the quadratic formula. Minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So you place of b, we need to put the 5. We got 2 b's. Place of a, we need to put the 4. So in place of these 2 a's, we put the 4. And there's only one c, you put the 2. So you substitute numbers in. Now you need to do the arithmetic. So we have the negative 5. That 5 squared is 25. That product is 32. 25 minus 32 is negative 7. Denominator, we have 2 times 4, which is 8. Definition I've seen earlier, maybe you counted earlier. Square root of negative a equals I square root of a. In our particular case, a is 7. And so square root of negative 7 equals I square root of 7. We want to divide each of these numbers by 8. So we have negative 5 over 8. You put that in the calculator, it's negative 0.625. They want you to round it to nearest hundred, so it'd be minus 0.63. Then you got plus or minus, and they separate them here. Then you got to get this part in the calculator. So I just if you got a calculator, just hit the square root of 7 or 7 and the square root button, and it'll give you this decimal here. 2.64575, and it keeps going on. Don't clear it out of your calculator, then hit divide by 8. It'll give you 0.3307, etc. And then once you again round to 2 places, so it's 0.23, and we have the I here. We usually put that last. Hope that helps.